family I belong to, and so you be worrying yourself for nothing.
Yeah.
So discover who you are, what your folks have done,
yeah,
and then why you're behaving the way you're behaving.
Yeah.
And find out what you do that makes you happy, that you don't get paid.
That's right.
So I'm doing something that even if I don't get paid to do fundraising,
you love it.
I love it. I love meeting people. I love talking to people, and then I get paid doing that. I love teaching. I love preaching because my father was a teacher. My dad here is the so-called the Ashanti.
He is.
But
your dad is the king of the Ashantis in Sydney, in Australia. Sorry.
So, but that's not like a proper.
It's not the Ghana one.
But his father was a king.
Yeah. So
his father was a proper king in our village. So he loved those things, and discover who you are, communicate what you want to do in life, connect with the right people, and commit to it. Consistency is the key. Okay,
so let me ask you this then.
Yes.
Is there a one size fits all thing that everybody can do and do well? To say that, I've seen a lot of people on social media say, hey, when you come overseas, do this, do this, So is there any one size fits all thing that can get everybody to do well in overseas?
No. I've seen people that are homeless in overseas.
Of course.
Because they didn't do the right thing. Or they didn't get the right people to connect them to, you see, everybody has a purpose to fulfill in life.
Yeah.
Every single one of us. It's like the game, the Jizu puzzle.
Yeah.
That you fit in. So once you're connected to the right
and it
place,
fits, that's it.
Even marriage. Yeah? If you don't marry the right person, you're not going to be able to do what you're called to do.
Yeah.
So there is a right job for everybody. There is a right place for everybody. There's a right environment to live.
Yeah.
The people that is around you will determine who you become.
That's right.
There's something that I was reflecting on it. You see, team, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Together, each achieve more.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you don't have the right team, if we don't have the right team for Koder TV, Koder TV will not become what you are envisioned it to be.
That's right.
You could be your own block to the vision.
Yeah.
And then we have to fire you.
That's right.
And then bring you back later, like Steve Jobs.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because maybe there's a stage that we want to remove it from this stage to go on the street and you're blocking it. Yeah. We will team up and then get rid of the main person.
Yeah. Just so that the system can run.
Thank you. So the right team. There is no good idea or foolish idea or bad idea or good idea. No. Any idea can be good if you have the right people
to push it.
Yeah. Or one of my mentors said, Kokweje, when you have a vision, you need three things. Okay. You need an idea that people can buy into it.
Yeah.
But when we have a good idea, you need good people.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you need finance.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. He said you can have a good idea, good people. If you don't have finance,
you are stuck.
You're stuck. But if you have good idea and good people, they can promote it or buy into the vision, and then finance will
happen. Yeah.
But when you have good idea and good people and good finance,
then you're good to go.
Good. But if you have good idea, good money, and you don't have good people,
then that's it.
It's
done. The idea will be to
all
collapse.
Connected, intertwined. So team together, each achieve more. That is one of my philosophy. That's why you see me being an entrepreneur, because I don't do one thing by myself. No way. Everything that you see me doing, I have a partner behind me. Everything, literally everything that I do in life, I have somebody that I'm connected with. Yeah. I believe in the referral system very well. Yeah. So just get the right people around you, and then you do well.
So there's no one size fits all.
Any industry that you pick. Yeah. Any industry you pick in abroad. Yeah. And please also educate yourself. If you come here and you have a trade like skill. You're a carpenter or a plumber or
mason.
Bricklayer. I think the failure is that due to circumstances, some people let their skill go. Let's say I was a carpenter in Ghana and I come to Australia. So the person I meet say, "Hey, Charlie, you can't do carpentry here because you have to go through TAFE.
Get certification.
Get certificate, and then you be on award wage. So we look at the small money that you're
the process will frustrate you
as a apprentice, and based on the advice we get, we let that go.
You see, so Pastor, it comes down to the people you come to meet.
Yes.
Because there are certain people, when you come and meet them and you live with them and they brought you, they don't have that luxury of time for them to give you transportation to go to TAFE and come back and go here and learn driving and do this to settle in. Some people will just chuck you under the bus and just throw you into one factory because, of course, sometimes you actually went for some bank loan for your air ticket to travel and you need to start paying from. So circumstances can make us perform differently. What I said, there are certain people that maybe an uncle bought the ticket, did everything, just brought him here, put him in school, got him a simple job on the side and he's managing. But if you came here in a certain way, sometimes, people travel with the help of agencies and stuff and they have a lot of debt on themselves. So when they come, they don't get to continue what their passion is in.
So you see, in team, so all these things that you're saying, like the process I was taking, it all comes to the team.
Okay.
Understanding communication. So team, the acronym TTT,
Yeah.
You see, you need to take time, to understand somebody. Yes, you got debt. I don't believe that. You see, it's the communication. If your uncle or your auntie or your brother or your sister brought you here and you said, "Look, I love to do this. This is what makes me happy. And I know I owe you 30,000 or 20,000 or 50,000, but give me time. I'll pay. Help me to go through the process, So because of time, we always want to do the other thing, Because the guy going to TAFE, you know that they're not gonna get like $500 a week or $1,000 a week to pay you quicker. But if you're a team and you communicate and say, "Look, I want to let you do the right thing," because you see, it's not the time you spend to go to TAFE that will make the difference in your system, but is the long-term goal.
You see, and I agree with you.
So let me finish this. So if you tell me that you're a carpenter, and I'm gonna sponsor you to go to TAFE and then get the right ticket so that you can get the right job, you'll be able to finish that in 3 years or 2 years or 1 year, and then get the proper job, get a full pay, and pay me off
quickly.
But if I don't communicate that with you, my intention,
you see, the thing is, the type of people, Pastor, some people come to meet. When they came, it's like my father telling you when he was going to school, when he was a student, he used to walk to school barefooted.
That's right.
He's telling you this in 2024.
That's right.
And so he expects you to walk barefooted to school. The people you meet, what they went through, sometimes is what they want you to go through.
Okay.
If you are not careful, you'll be like a rebellious, ungrateful person. Because the people you are meeting outside are telling you one thing, good ideas like what you were sharing, but when you go to the person that brought you, no, you have to go and work. Your mom is sick in Ghana. Hey, this person is this. We need to do this. You are still owing this. You have to do this. Because he didn't go through any form of formal education. They cannot even think of that. And when you are new in the country, sometimes you don't even know how things work. The systems we are talking about. So you think maybe it's just like Ghana. I'm a carpenter. Just pick up your saw, get a sack, put it over your shoulder, and you start working. And so you need somebody that will actually help you. So if the person you came to meet is that, in quote, very good person, he wouldn't mind saying, "Okay, I've brought you. I want you to live well. I don't know about the course you were doing in Ghana. Let me take you to this man. Pastor AJ, or here to guide you, so that somebody will tell you, okay, your child, your brother is best. he does this, he does that. A few people get it like this.
Yeah.
So that's why we are looking at the reason why other people go faster